Chapter 1: Breaking the Capital Myth. In the modern landscape of entrepreneurship and finance, the pervasive belief that capital is indispensable for success has been ingrained into our collective consciousness. This notion, often perpetuated by traditional business paradigms and educational systems, can be a paralyzing myth that discourages budding entrepreneurs from pursuing their dreams. However, the reality is far more nuanced and liberating. The illusion of capital necessity is just that, an illusion. The idea that substantial financial resources are required to start a business is rooted in the conventional models of entrepreneurship, where tangible assets, inventory, and physical storefronts were essential components. In such a setting, capital was indeed a prerequisite. However, the world has evolved, and with it, the pathways to success. Consider the story of Sarah, a now successful entrepreneur who once believed she needed significant capital to launch her online business. Like many, Sarah was trapped in the notion that without a hefty sum to invest, her dreams would remain just that, dreams. Yet driven by passion and determination, she began to explore alternative avenues. Sarah utilized free online platforms, tapped into her network for support, and leveraged her skills to create value. Her journey is a testament to the fact that the perceived barriers of entry into the entrepreneurial world are often self-imposed and can be dismantled with creativity and resourcefulness. The key to breaking free from the illusion of capital necessity lies in redefining what we perceive as investment. Traditionally, investment is associated with monetary input. But in the context of modern entrepreneurship, time, skills, and knowledge are equally, if not more, valuable. Many successful entrepreneurs have started with nothing more than a computer and an idea, using their expertise and ingenuity to carve out niches in competitive markets. They understood that their personal strengths and unique perspectives were assets that could be leveraged far more effectively than a bank loan or investor funding. Redefining investment also involves a shift in mindset, one that embraces the concept of value creation rather than capital accumulation. For instance, digital platforms and social media offer unprecedented opportunities to reach global audiences with minimal financial outlay. By focusing on building communities and engaging authentically with potential customers, entrepreneurs can generate interest and demand without the need for initial capital. Moreover, the proliferation of technology has democratized access to tools and resources that were once exclusive to those with deep pockets. Open source software, free online courses, and digital marketplaces have lowered the barriers to entry, empowering individuals to start and grow businesses from their living rooms. The internet serves as a vast repository of knowledge and connectivity, making it possible for anyone with a clear vision and a strong work ethic to succeed. This is not to say that capital is entirely without merit. Financial resources can undoubtedly accelerate growth and scale operations. However, that crucial distinction is understanding that capital is not the foundation of success, but rather a tool that can be utilized at an appropriate stage of the entrepreneurial journey. By focusing initially on building a solid value proposition and a loyal customer base, entrepreneurs can attract investment when it is most beneficial, rather than relying on it from the outset. Another aspect of dismantling the illusion of capital necessity is the power of collaboration and community. In an interconnected world, finding like-minded individuals and forming strategic partnerships can be a game changer. Collaborative ventures allow entrepreneurs to pool resources, share risks, and leverage each other's strengths, creating synergies that would be difficult to achieve independently. This approach not only minimizes the need for initial capital, but also fosters innovation and resilience. Mentorship is another invaluable resource that can replace the need for financial investment. A mentor can provide guidance, share experiences, and open doors to networks and opportunities that might otherwise remain inaccessible. Many entrepreneurs have attributed their success not to financial backing, but to the wisdom and support of a mentor who believed in their potential. The psychological barriers associated with the illusion of capital necessity are often more challenging to overcome than the practical ones. Fear of failure, imposter syndrome, and the pressure to conform to traditional success models can inhibit entrepreneurial spirit. However, by embracing a mindset of abundance and focusing on the potential for growth and learning, individuals can liberate themselves from these constraints. In essence, breaking the illusion of capital necessity involves a fundamental shift in perspective. It requires an understanding that the most critical assets, passion, creativity,